I'm going to show you how to make a goji berry orange granola. This granola is raw, vegan, gluten-free, done in the dehydrator. So first we have some soaked sunflower seeds and pumpkin seeds, soaked goji berries, and then we have some sprouted and dehydrated buckwheat, and then we have some soaked and pitted dates. We're not using any other sweetener. We're only using dates as a sweetener. And then we're going to be adding in some large flake coconut. I like using large flake just for texture. And we have our beautiful warming spices here. We have cinnamon, we have clove, cardamom, a little bit of salt, so we're going to add that in. And then we're going to be adding in some fresh ginger, another warming spice, perfect for fall. We want to grate that in with a microplane grater. And then we're going to be adding in some orange zest, so we're going to grate that in as well. So you want to make sure you zest your orange first before you cut it, because now we want to get the juice. And you can just do this really easily by putting your hand here to catch the seeds. You don't even need to use a citrus press for this, and just get that juice in there.